Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print multiple slides per page in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and select File in the top left, and then go down and select Print. And now over here on the right side where it says slides, go ahead and click the drop down and you can select the type of view you want for how many slides you want per page. And that's pretty much all you have to do. It'll appear over here on the right and all your slides should be listed here. And that's pretty much it. Then just go ahead and print it like you normally would, and that's it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.